Yeah, yeah, but she's not, I think she's not as
Ay, nagpapatagos. Tangin naman, dyan yung order ko, gago.
yun, no? Siksikan parang sa
Officer, ang tagal nyo, officer. Officer, ano na?
Ano, parang pasira na. Change this na din.
Pasukin ko na to, eh.
Ulit. Hello? Rinig na to, rinig na. Okay. So, what I was saying, I agree to
Wait
what
lang, kunin ko yung order ko.
University said.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Hello po, labas na po. Wait lang.
It end up some slow down. So yeah, we follow the protocols and the rules
Down 3.
before doing
Ubos.
to leave someone business. So according to that, testers investigate and then do the right thing, which is like following the law. But how is under someone, and then someone is like the stuff, and that time for like the time we are not gonna use the power of government. That business. Ayun lang po. Hello? Okay. Okay na po. Okay na pala eh. Next po natin is si Madam Gray. Madam Gray, rin mo ba ako? Oo nga pala, oo nga pala. Alright, okay. Then is, what sets you apart with other candidates here? What